very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. And looking ahead, Europe continues to dominate the market themes at the moment. First up, shortly, will be the ECB's interest rate decision. 90% of the 58 economists surveyed are predicting that the ECB will cut interest rates for the second time by a further 25 basis points. As such, then, the press conference will also take a lot of focus here, in particular if any further easing measures are adopted, particularly given some of the heightened bank funding fears of late. As such, then, we could well see some of those liquidity operations extended out further from the current 12-month, which is the top maturity, out to as much as 2-year, potentially 3-year. Also, as well, keep an eye out for these questions on the pace of European bond purchases and the S&P programme. Other than that, we'll have the Bank of England interest rate decision. However, all analysts are unanimous in expecting no changes from the Bank of England. So that's the rate to stay at 0.5 and the asset purchase target to be maintained at 275 billion, as is usually the practice as well. It's very unlikely we'll get any accompanying statement there. And then moving forward, later sees the EBA. They announced last night they will be releasing their European stress tests. That'll be at 5 o'clock London time, so around 11 a.m. Chicago. We'll keep an eye there, and this comes ahead of the first preliminary meetings in Brussels ahead of the EU summit tomorrow. That'll also kickstart this evening, but the main focus there will be tomorrow on whether Germany and France can push through any of their proposals to their other European members. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap here in London, so we'll have another update this afternoon where we'll update you what the ECB and Bank of England have done and ahead of those EBA stress test results. In the meantime though, have yourself a great trading day.